Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to register Netflix application in computer. So how to register Netflix application in computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Netflix application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial Netflix display. To change the Netflix application profile, move the cursor to the top corner of the screen. Here there is a profile icon, and tap the profile icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear. And select the account menu. Well, it is already in the account menu. There are many menu options here. Select the profiles menu. Now a menu like this will appear. Tap on the personal and contact info editor. B. To change the name, in the name section, type the desired name, for example I type this. And to change the profile photo from Netflix, tap the profile icon. Well, there are many images provided by Netflix that can be used. Choose one. After everything is finished, tap Save to save the changes I have made. So that's it, the tutorial how to register Netflix application in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.